here we go. So my son Silas has joined me, and he's gonna be painting on his, and I'm gonna paint on mine. All right, you ready? Let's get some water. Fill up your brush with water. Good. Okay. You know what? We're gonna use the same colors. I'm gonna use this one here. We're gonna use the same. We're gonna use these watercolors. Okay, ready? So let's pick. You're gonna go with pink. Let's start with some pink. So swirl it around, get lots of color. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna paint a flower down here. So we're just kind of make a little flower. Can you do that? You just tap some colors on there. That's nice. Do a couple circles. Good. Oh, nice. That's good. Good. Okay. So we're just gonna let's do a couple more of those. See, I'm just doing little circles there like that. Okay. Just like that. It's okay. Yours is a little different.
But still looks nice.
Yeah, it still looks nice, of course. Oh, good. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to go darker. So we're going to take a little bit of our red. You see this red here? Okay. Yeah. Okay, like that. And we're just going to dab red onto our pink. Yep, just dab it. And you see how that spreads? Isn't that pretty? And dab your other pink flower there.
Mom is going to get it.
Oh, that's so pretty. That looks so pretty.
And it looks cool too.
I love yours.
It's cool how it works.
I'm going to do another flower, a bigger flower over here since you've already got. Isn't that cool how that spreads? Good. Okay. Let's go even darker, okay? You know what we're going to do? Now we're going to go to this purple back here. See our purple back there?
This purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're just going to dab our purple. Dab it in there. Ooh, doo, doo, doo.
Oh, Mom, look!
Whoa, not too much. We don't want to do too much purple. But oh, isn't that pretty? Nice. Okay, that's probably enough purple. You don't want to go too much purple.
Dab. Good.
That's really good. Now let's do some purple flowers. So go. You choose purple or blue. What do you think? Purple? Let's do some flowers like this. Kind of. See that? Do, do, do. Like little stars. Yeah. That's good. Okay, yeah. Do some of those and do some over here. That's nice. You're doing great. Okay. Yeah, there you go.
Sometimes you can do that, like the line of it.
Sometimes you might do the flowers pointing up, like that. See that? They're not always pointing. They're not always facing you. Let's take some blue this time, and we're gonna add a tiny. You know how we dab blue. Let's dab some blue into the purple flowers. You see that?
Ooh,
Ooh, isn't that fun how the water makes it travel? I'm just going to do some just like little blue dots too in here. You see that? I kind of like circle it around. Do some extra blue dots in here.
I like the birds.
Aren't they nice?
Can we color the bird?
Oh, I think we're going to leave the birds. Now let's do some green. So I like to start with really, really light green. Can you choose the really light green?
The lightest green.
The lightest green there is.
Is this one.
Yeah, we might even mix our own green.
I want to do this green with this green.
You want to? Okay, you can do that. All right, so now we're going to do some leaves. Okay? So, that's good. So I'm going to do some leaves like this.
Mom, guess what?
Yeah.
Can I make a leaf on here?
Yeah, you sure can. See how I'm just making some leaves? Oh, nice.
You should do that to your birds.
I should add some leaves too.
And to your bird.
Do you know it's okay if this kind of... I want to show you something.
What?
If I get my green close to the blue. Do you see how it kind of bleeds over? That's okay if you do that. It's okay if it... Okay, now what I'm going to do, Silas, I'm going to get the darker green, and I'm going to dab my greens. Add a little shadow, little different colors. It's, yeah, there you go. You dab those. Maybe some more green dots in there. Green dots.
Oh, look, I'm just doing these kind of
That's
green.
beautiful.
Did you like my picture
I like
and then yours?
Well, they're both different, aren't they? What other thing? You want to maybe do some more leaves in there?
Mom, I know what to do.
What do you think you need?
We could do... What if it was snowing?
What if it was snowing?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm going to add a little bit of dark purple in the middle of my flowers.
Guess what?
What?
I want to tell you, what if we took the white and then did dots of snow?
Yeah, you could do that.
I want to do that.
You're going to add dots of snow? I think we're going to stop the video here. I think that looks, oops, that looks pretty good, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. All right. Maybe, I think mine needs a little bit more red
Mom,
in my...
can I do a little
my
bit of
flowers.
snow on mine?
You can do some snow on yours.
Thanks.
Yeah. I'm going to go with a lighter blue
Mom.
here.
Guess what I'm gonna do? Guess what, to make you see the snow? I do like this blue, Mom.
Just taking a lighter blue.
And then take the white, and then it makes you see the snow.
So it's like a...
See? And then it puts water in it still.
Oh, that's so
To
nice.
make it see it.
Okay,
Isn't
well,
that
I think
cool?
we're done for now.
Can I do one
That
more
was
snow
fun.
piece?
Sure.
Good.
You can finish. All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
All right, we had fun doing our video. You say goodbye?
Goodbye.
He did a good job, didn't he? Okay, show us what you did. If you use the bird template, we want to see what you did. We want to see your creations. You can be really creative and add snow and lots of different. You can use your own colors. You can do orange flowers instead of yellow, right? You could do yellow, or instead of pink, you could do yellow and oranges and blues. Just have fun with the colors. All right? Can you say good job?
Good job.